Let's just calm down. Everybody.
Susie,
Everybody.
Billy,
Just calm down.
not that deep.
I admit it, another hoe got me finished. Broke my heart, oh no you didn't. Fuck.
Okay, so originally I wasn't gonna make this video, but since everybody and their grannies, their moms, their dads,
They're paps. They're paps.
their aunties, uncles, cousins, brother, sister, been like, hey, how do you make your edits or whatever? Can you make me an edit? You know,
The works.
the works. So, so I'm just gonna be showing you how to make an edit today. The app that I use is CueCut Pro. It's on your iPhone. You can download it. I have the pro version, but you can get the free version. And the free version just got a watermark on it. So if you don't like watermarks, I don't know what to tell you.
I don't know.
So I just also like to give another disclaimer. For the entirety of this video, I'm gonna be saying picture, or I mean, it's not that serious. Like, I say picture, you might say picture or whatever, but let's just calm down. Everybody.
Susie,
Everybody.
Billy,
Just calm down.
not that deep.
Okay, so I'm in CueCut Pro right now, and I'm pressing plus to make me a new movie, and then you could title the movie whatever you want. I'm titling mine Simpsons Edit, because this is about to be a sad edit about the Simpsons. And then I'm going to put square, and then you can change the background color to whatever you want to change it to. And now you're going to want to add your sound. So you're going to click plus video, and then you're going to want to click the sound that you saved. Then you're going to want to click audio only. And after you get your sound, you're going to want to start adding your videos and pictures. And this is my video that I'm getting. So you want to split it to wherever you want the first part of your video to be. So you want to double tap on it and then click the scissors and then drag the other part down to the trash can. And then you're going to want to zoom in on the picture. Right now I'm zooming in on the video or whatever to make it fit the square, because it was on landscape and I want it to be a square. So now I'm splitting it again and dragging it down to the trash can. Now you're going to add your photo, and this is a mirrored photo. I made this mirror photo from Pixar, and I'm doing a shake transition, so I'm going to add a custom transition, and I'm moving it to the back arrow, and I'm zooming in on it. So it zooms in. I don't know how to explain it. So zooming in right now, and as you can see, it zoomed in on his face after that thing. And then you're going to want to zoom in on your picture, and this is a shaked picture. As I said, I made it from Pixar. If you want a tutorial on how to do that, comment below and I'll tell you how I made the shake pictures or whatever, because I didn't have enough time to put in this video. It's going to be extra duper super drooper long. Now you're going to add a custom transition and then move it to the left, and then you're going to add another custom transition, and then you're going to move it to the right, and then you're going to add a third custom transition, and then you're going to move it back to the left so it's shaking. So as you can see, I have the transition and I'm sizing it to make sure it's 3. You only want to do 3, because if you do more than 3, it won't look right. And you're going to make sure the playhead is on the back arrow of it. So as you can see, look, it's shaking. And then now you're going to want to cut it really short, and then you could just delete the long part, the big part. You want to cut it so it's really short, and then delete it. Okay, as you can see, I made it really short. And then you're gonna add your next picture, and it's a mirrored picture again. And then once you add your picture, you want to zoom in on the middle square. There's 9 squares. You want to zoom in on the middle square. And you can't zoom in after you add your transition, so don't add your transition until you zoom in. So now you're gonna add your transition, and you're gonna wanna move to the first arrow, then zoom in on it. So it's gonna zoom out, I guess. So as you just look at the screen, so it's zooming. Go to the first arrow, zoom in, and then it's gonna zoom out. And then right now you're gonna want to click back out, and for the first one you're gonna click back in. Like, these will save your life with editing. It'll make all your stuff look smooth. So right now I'm clicking back in, and for the other one I click back out, and it basically makes your stuff very smooth and crispy, clean, nice. And yeah, so right now I'm in Fonto and I'm making my text. I'm going to show you how I put the text on there. So I made the background black, and then I'm going to click text or whatever, add text, and then I'm going to put whatever text that I want to put on the video. And I'm picking my font. You can pick whatever font you want. I'm trying to pick, and then you save it. After you pick your font, you save it to your camera roll. And then I'm making my other word that I want, and then I'm saving that to my camera roll. Okay, so now I'm adding in the pictures that I just made into the edit. So now you're gonna want to size it up to where you want it to be at. And the most important part is that you put transparency on 95, and then you're gonna put saturation 100, contrast to 100, exposure to 100, and hue to 100. And it should look like how my screen is looking. So it should be like all transparent, and the background is, the background should be transparent. You should only be able to see the words. So saturation 100, contrast 100, exposure 100, hue 100. Okay, so that was how I make my edits. If you got any questions, you could comment them down below. Okay, thank you for watching me struggle how to explain how to make an edit. But hopefully you got something out of this, and like it was in like a total loss. Like, I didn't make this video for nothing. Like, you actually learned something how to do this. But like, here's the final results on how I made it. How it turned out or whatever.
Mark, I think it's best if we take a break.
Good idea. I can chuck eggs at the other couples.
Just hug me, dummy.
Heck, Pats. This is a breakup.
Not afraid to let go. You decide if you're ever gonna let me know. Yeah, suicide if you ever try to let go. I'm sad.
If you want to see the VHS or whatever filter app, it's right here, somewhere, here. And thank you for watching. Toodles.
Fuck it up!